Hello, beautiful. How are we feeling today?
I'm living good, I'm living great. Everything I do in the first place. I said I'm living good, I'm living great. Everything I do in the first place. Yeah. Watch my money grow, watch my money grow watch my money grow like a.
So today I'm going to be cutting my hair. I know it might be kind of a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Sorry, Brad Mondo. So I have watched his video on how to do this, and I still think that sometimes you can watch a video and know what to do, but still not know how to execute it. Best, sorry for the renovation, we're in progress. To honor Brad Mondo, I do have my chain link on. So cool. Okay, so according to his video, you need hair cutting scissors, sectioning clips, and your hair to be straightened, like really straight. Now my hair is really curly, so it's hard to get it as straight as he would tell you it needs to be, but I'm gonna do my best. This is the best comb I have.
Hello, beautiful. How are we feeling today? We're gonna live our best lives during this time, and we're gonna learn different things. Off by doing our 4 sections. We're using 4 sections, not 2. That's right. I see a lot of people doing 2 sections. Comb on there, and you're gonna find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm gonna take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down. Right there, right behind her ear. And those are our 2 sections on this side, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So
No wonder Eric Mondo struggled with this. It's hard. I'm sorry, Eric Mondo, for judging you in my mind, because I did. Okay, I have my hair in 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm ready to go.
just mark it with your fingers and remember that spot. We're gonna take one of our elastics, we're gonna comb it together in our hands, and we're gonna make a little ponytail right where we want our hair cut. Just straight down. If you have a lot of hair, you can do more than 4 sections. That's totally fine. I'm gonna do just 4. Scared yet?
Yes, I'm terrified. This is a lot of hair. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do 3 sections.
So we're gonna lift it up.
Why am I just cutting this front? Why am I cutting just this? Can we talk about it? I'm being boring. I'm gonna say it. I'm cutting off more. This is so boring. It's heavy. It's boring. I used to have hair that was long enough for these. Oh my god, I have a bob. I have to. I've already cut the first one. I have to. Oh, it's thick. Should I have sectioned more? Probably, but it's too late. I've already started cutting. Oh my god. Oh my god. My sister-in-law's gonna kill me. That wasn't even all of it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My husband told me he hated me with short hair. And I told him that's the most ugly thing you've ever said to me. Don't ever talk to me like that again. He never said anything since. That's ratchet. Okay, so I've cut 2 out of 6 sections. Probably should have honestly been 8. I have some thick curly hair, y'all. Oh. Honestly, it needs layers, but it's cute. Wait, hold on. well. Okay, spoke too soon. And I just like put down the scissors. Okay, I'll put them down. I'm gonna listen to you. I'm gonna put them down. I'm gonna put them down. This is also a thick piece. You guys, what if I had kept that one big piece? This was going to be part of it. Okay, I'm gonna cut this into two. This is when your hairstylist goes. So I just put a little bit of hair in there. Do you see that? So that I would have a ruler. I'm just gonna keep working my way around the head until it's all the same length. I'm just going rogue. I'm so sorry, Brad Mondo. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. I haven't seen it. Just don't tell me. Okay. Here we go. I have a shelf. He talks about it all the time. If you have a shelf, it's when a piece of hair goes like higher than the rest of your hair. I'm that girl. I'm that girl right now because I cut above the band instead of below it. You know, it's just hair. I was just talking to a friend about how I want to shave my hair eventually anyway. So, you know what? I do this. It gets me right over that edge. Shave my whole head off. You know what I meant. Oh my god, how do I fix this? How do I fix it? And here, Brad Mondo, go to a hairstylist. Well, my sister-in-law is coming tomorrow. She's a hairstylist, but I don't want to do that. Why would I do that? Why the heck would I do that? It is what it is. I don't even know why I keep going. Finish the freaking haircut. Because I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Started out so good. Started out, I was gonna be the girl who did it right. But now I'm just another girl who messes her hair up. Just another girl in that long line. So I'm going to try to get this front section loose lined up with the front, like the left side. So I'm gonna resection this front piece. I haven't given up hope yet. It doesn't look terrible in the front. A lot of that piece that got really short in the back was an underlayer. If you look at it, it's a lot of really healthy hair because it's been underneath. And a lot of the other hair that I have cut off is really brittle and gross because it's been sitting on top and it's been pre-lightened. And if you look, my hair is actually really dark. So I'm hoping that it gets hidden underneath. And then it'll grow out eventually and maybe my hairstylist can even it out. And I am going to put in some layers into here. So maybe I can knot in the back on that little area and hopefully it will cover it up a little bit. That's my plan. We'll see how it works out. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Oh, there's a hair on my boot and it's poking. There's one thing I've learned, it's to keep the hairband in and have hairbands in general. Last hairband. I think I have some work to do like I did on this side. I already did this side. I kind of went underneath. My hair is so thick. It's so thick. It's definitely not even on this side either. I have some work to do. But look at this hair. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna go and touch it up. Oh, what do we have here? A little piece trying to stay. Snip, snip. What is that? Ew. It's bad, but I'm fixing it. Slowly and surely. I need to go put on a different shirt real quick because this one's full of hair. It hurts. It's poking me and I can't see to fix it. So this is what I'm working with. Now I can see that it went up a little too high in the front and I need to fix it more in the back. Great. I think we're ready for layers. Just a few inches.
Couldn't you just get a haircut like a month ago? You should go spread it around outside the sunroom to maybe scare off that lunch cat.
Why would spreading my hair around scare off a cat?
It'll smell it.
My hair? Where did you hear that?
It's just common knowledge that human hair will scare off wild animals.
I've never heard that. Thing that only someone who grew up in Missouri would know.
I've never tried it on cats, but I know it works for like hair and stuff.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish cutting my hair watching this tutorial, but I'll come show you when I'm done.
Okay.
I was hoping I could get it done before you noticed so I could see if you noticed or not. Would you have noticed?
I always notice it.
No, you don't.
We'll see if Hannah notices.
Hannah will notice. She'll probably notice that I did it myself.
Think so?
He's a hairstylist. She'll probably say, "What'd you do to your hair?"
We're gonna use those 4 hair ties once more. We're gonna take our brush this time, or a comb. You can still use a comb if you'd like, but I prefer a brush for this. All right, so now we're gonna take the hair and bring it all to the top of our head like this. Make sure it's all nicely brushed out. Super important that if there's no tangles, everything is very smooth. And we're gonna take our finger and go through about 1.5 inches up or 1 inch up, just like halfway through that ponytail and let that earring. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the back.
Not perfect, just straight across. Wah, 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 wah. Oh. Cut. Perfect. Perfect. It's not bad. I don't hate it. overall, I don't hate it. It could have been worse. I mean, I'll take it. There's only one more thing that could make this better. It's glitter on it. Y'all, I watch him a lot. He's great. He makes me want to mess my hair up. And he's got awesome products. They smell so good. And this one has just a little bit of pink glitter in it. But he formulates his products with things that make your hair so shiny and healthy. Come for me, Brad Mondo. Do it. I dare you. What do you think? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do whatever. I don't care. This is it. I'll see y'all later. Bye.